Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about deepfake technology. What it is, how does it work, and why is it dangerous? I'm going to explain it right away, so stick around. Deepfake technology is programmed to replace the likeness of one person with another in a recorded video, audio, or image. It creates doctored or fake content to deceive people, so don't believe everything you see on the internet. Not at least when you are living in the age of artificial intelligence. Okay, so technically, deepfake technology is a type of artificial intelligence that is used to create convincing video, audio, and images fraud. Criminals or malicious actors easily modify video, audio, and images to create the impression of people doing and saying unreliable things, usually to damage the reputation of someone. The term deepfake defines both the technology and the resulting unreal or bogus content. Is a combination of two everyday words, deep and fake. Deep refers to the artificial intelligence technology known as deep learning. Deep learning uses algorithms to teach itself on how to solve problems or equations when given large sets of data. Algorithms are used to swap faces in video, audio, and images to make realistic looking fake media. Remember, at the most basic level, deepfakes are lies disguised to look like truth. Alright, let's go more deep into it. There is no doubt that deepfake technology has become more sophisticated and dangerous tool for criminals. It continues to terrify and amuse the internet as the technology evolves. It's being used in mainstream media like movies and news. Victims of deepfake technology are often famous people like politicians and celebrities. For example, there are several deepfake videos on the internet. Many are pornographic. Artificial intelligence company Deeptrace found out 15,000 deepfake videos online in September 2019. You wouldn't be surprised to know that 96% were pornographic and 99% of those mapped faces from female celebrities onto porn stars. Absolutely shocking. Right? Yes, it is. It looks like deepfake technology is being weaponized against women. Not only that, deepfake videos have been used in politics as well. For instance, in 2018, a Belgian political party released a video of Donald Trump giving a speech calling on Belgium to withdraw from the Paris Climate Agreement. Trump never gave that speech, however, it was a deepfake. Here is another example. This is Obama's deepfake video. Can you guess which one is real or fake? In fact, no one can tell. But they all are fake. None of them is real. This is how deepfake technology is being misused. Unfortunately, it's falling into the wrong hands, which is alarming. Alright, let's talk about how it really works. Deepfake software creates a fake model of the target person and keeps working on it until it gets better and looks like a real one. Basically, deepfake content is created by using two artificial intelligence algorithms. One is called generator and the other is discriminator. Generator creates a fake model and asks the discriminator to determine whether the model is real or fake. Together, the generator and discriminator form something called a generative adversarial network. Every time the discriminator accurately identifies the content as being faked, it provides the generator with important information on how to improve the next deepfake model. Let's take an example. First of all, you need a target video to use as a basis of deepfake. Let's suppose you have chosen a video of someone. Then you need a collection of video clips or pictures of the person you want to insert in the target video. Let's say you have picked a famous politician. Once you have all the required data, you input all the information into the generator, which creates a fake model of a politician. After that, discriminator determines if the model is real or fake. If it looks like a real one, then the deepfake video is ready. And if the discriminator thinks it's a fake, then the generator works again to develop a better model. Behind the scene, thousands of artificial intelligence algorithms work to make a perfect model. As the generator gets better at creating fake model, discriminator gets better at spotting them, and vice versa. Both generator and discriminator work together to make believable results. Let's wrap it up. Deepfake technology is used in synthetic media to create falsified content, replace faces, and manipulate emotions. It is used to digitally copy an action by a person that he or she did not commit. It has the potential to distort reality and deceive people. There are also some online websites which are offering deepfake videos at lowest prices. Alright, this was my analysis on deepfake technology. What do you think about this technology? Share your thoughts in the comment section. And make sure you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.